Hello, welcome to the You Be the Teacher project planning sheet walkthrough. I'm Mr. Blackman, of course, Mr. B. I'm here to help you understand each thing that you need to fill in for this sheet to be ready to be planned for your video and to ready to move on to your next step. These sheets I have in my room. Make sure you pick them up from me when you are in our math group, and I'll know you're ready for these, so I'll let you know. I've gone ahead and already filled this out, but I'm just going to show you what my expectations are for each of these sections, so that you can be ready to go and see what it should look like. If you have your sheet, you could take it out and follow along with me. Pause if you want to fill things in. Be ready to make sure you have this filled in and turned in so that you can get your planning badge and move on to your outlining stage. So of course, here we go. Name, got to know who the producer is, who's the creator, who made this great sheet. So boom, right there, Mr. Blackman. The date's also important. We got to know when these were made, not know who, but when. Help us be organized in our planning process. So here's today's date when I made this. It's July 20th. It's in the summer. I'm having my summer vacation right now. My project, just gave this a name. You can change your name at any time, I guess until the end when you publish. When you publish, you're going to want to have a final name, but any catchy name, but just so long as you kind of keep it similar, so we have some idea what you're working on. So I'm just calling my first one Addition Mission. Now the math skill mastered. What have we been working on in class? What have I said? Hey, you're ready. You passed this assessment. You mastered this skill. What is that? I'm going to say for here, this is addition of 2 digits plus 2 digits with regrouping. And I needed to think up some problems, some example problems I would use in my instruction video. I decided to start with one that's sort of smaller numbers, so that my students can wrap their heads around a little more, but that definitely involves regrouping. And I can tell here 7 plus 4, I can say that I'm going to fill in my 10 frame there. I'm going to have 1 left over, so I know I'm going to have to regroup, so that's going to be a good problem. And here's another one, 58 plus 36. Well, if I just look at those ones place, my 8 is going to I add 6 to it. I'm going to fill up that 10 frame. I'm going to have 4 left over. So yep, I know I'm going to be doing regrouping here. I know both of these are 2-digit numbers. So those are my example problems. I'm ready to go. Next, what tools am I going to need? What manipulatives? Well, I'm definitely going to want some counters because I'm going to want to be able to show what the real life representation of this problem is going to be. And then, of course, 10 frames. 10 frames always let me know if I filled in one section of my place value and if I need to regroup into my next. So this is what your planning sheet should look like. If you have questions, let me know. And I have these sheets for you, so make sure you get one. Thank you.